What if I told you? There's a USB stick out there. That doesn't store data. It destroys it. Plug it in and in seconds, your computer is fried. No warnings. No pop-ups. Just silence. This isn't from a movie. It's 100% real. This little device is called a USB kill stick or USB killer. At first glance, it looks like a normal flash drive, but instead of storing files, it's designed to send deadly electrical surges through a computer's USB port. The moment you plug it in, it draws power, stores it, then releases that power in quick, violent bursts over and over. It overloads the circuits inside your computer. And just like that, it's toast. This isn't just theory. Security researchers and hackers have tested these sticks on laptops, desktops, even smart TVs. In most cases, the machine was completely bricked unrecoverable. Motherboards fried, ports melted, no reboot, no fix. Even more terrifying, it doesn't need software, passwords, or access. Just a USB port and a few seconds. Believe it or not, these things are legal to buy in many places. They're often sold as testing tools for IT professionals. But in the wrong hands, they're a weapon, used by hackers, used for revenge, even used in corporate sabotage. Think about it. A device smaller than your thumb, capable of destroying thousands of dollars in tech, without ever touching the keyboard. So next time someone offers to share files on a USB drive, maybe don't plug it in just yet, because sometimes one click is all it takes. Bell, want to know how to protect your tech from devices like this? Hit that subscribe button and stay curious.